Hello people, this is Brett from Elliott Wave. Today is Monday, the 7th of April, and we're going to take a look at gold. Now, as you can see, if you haven't been following Saturday's video, the S&P video, as I promised, we are going to be using a new charting platform, which is this one, which you can find at tradinglaunch.com. This is part of their service. No, I'm not trying to sell it. I'm just saying this is what I use. That's where you can find it if you want it. Why do I use this instead of TradingView? You'll see as we do the analysis, I prefer some features that this platform has that TradingView doesn't. And considering that I do get it for free, don't ask me why. Don't ask me how. It's all legal, but don't ask me how. I'm gonna use it. So, gold. So I'm recording my monitor. I have another monitor with my old account from TradingView. And basically, we were here we had two scenarios possible. One of them being a wave 1 and 2 here, okay, primary degree. The other one was basically suggesting that we had some sort of a 1, 2, 3, 4 up in 5. Okay, that was double click. Okay, now if that is the case, then okay, it's fine extending in 5, but if that's the case, then we will need to be this will need to be primary degree, so 5 ways up into primary degree of cycle 3. So it wouldn't give us, much of upside target for this cycle wave 3. Okay, that's why I don't think it's too likely. So get rid of this. Okay, and the sub count for this would be. Oh, no, sorry, wrong waves. Would be 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, up and 5. Okay. Now, to some extent, you could even argue wave 4 goes here, 5 goes here, and 1 goes here. Okay. What do you guys think? As a matter of fact, I kind of like this better. And you could argue, let's see, here we have the composition, kind of like another charting platform, Elliott Wave Base, which I will not mention. Let's try again. Okay, so I would have labeled it like this, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 should be a bit longer than 1, just by quick look at it. Okay, triangle in 4. Down into sharp 2. Okay, I guess it's possible. Here, what is happening here? So let me take a look at my count. So okay, so I had it like this basically. A 1, 2 upside. Now usually they automatically label 1 degree lower, but it depends on when it's a matter of precision. By the way, let's show the triangle here. Okay, perfect. And here I also added, see here it should just label automatically 1 degree lower. As you can see, that's one of the features I prefer over TradingView. I had a label like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, by the way, let's see if we have some subdivision. Okay, that's how I had it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Subdivision. Nope. Okay, I had it like this. Now, as you can see, it automatically moves 1 degree lower. That's a very nice feature. And another very cool feature is you see how the labels themselves in terms of size are nice, not like TradingView that they're just gigantic. Okay, so that's one way to look at it. Probably we should go into the daily now. Okay, so is this 1, 2, 1, 2 very ugly? Yes. Am I a bigger fan of 1, 2s, 1, 2s? Yes. Would I rather kind of like something else? Yes. How else would I count it? That is a very good question. So my honest answer is, let's see. Let's add a, okay, so a folder here. Okay, and we hide it. Perfect. So I guess another way to count it would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Perhaps this. 1, 2, 3, 4 somewhere. 5 is minute. Okay. Are we able to decompose? Yes, perfect. That's how I would have labeled it. Are we able to decompose wave 4? Nope. Probably a triangle. I'm a big fan of triangles as well. Triangle and wave 2s and 1-2s, 1-2s are my daily lunch. Okay. Now, at this point, also here, we take a look at, oh no, God. It always happens, so let's add a new separator. Nope, it was a new count, sorry. So everything from here. Let's see if I did it right. Oh, I'm a musician. Okay, so perfect, guys. So here what we can do is we can measure 3 against 1. Okay, 3 times, 3.618, pretty long. Okay. What we can do is we can draw the temporary channel, connect 1 and 3, which is 4. The interesting thing is that we are finding resistance now on top of it. Okay. Now the big question is, Barrett, is this wave 5 in place? You guys know my answer. I don't know if I know when to be here, but we will try to give an educated answer to that question. So here I won't label it, but it wasn't reading view. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Here at this point, to be honest, so if we place wave 4 here, which anyway, people, where did this go? Okay, anyway, people, think about it. We really need a marker, a highlighter of some sort here. I need to is this a drawing? What is this? I have no idea what that is. Okay, so here we have the sharp sideways 2. Here we have a sharp 4. So in a way, it makes sense, right? Now here, okay, I was thinking about this. We could have had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, I think you can all see if I was here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I love this tool. Makes it saves so much time. Okay, ABC, sideways minute 2, sharp minute 4. What else? Sharp here. Can we take a look at volume? We should have volume here. Yep, as expected, obviously. I mean, if you take a look at any market, basically the last Fridays and Thursday, this is what volume looks like. Okay, now to remove volume, we need to do this. Perfect. Many things here. Oopsie, sorry. This. Okay. So, is this possible? Yes. Is this the best scenario? I don't know. But this is one scenario for sure. Now, if that is one scenario, just to remind you, it will mean a top in wave 3. Intermediate 3, which I'm trying to just place here. There you go. Nicely done. Is done in 4. Now, let's measure 3 against 1. 2.24, 2.618. Okay. Okay, not too bad, but not great either. Let's get rid of it. What did I just do? Or time analysis, I think. Okay. So, here's what I'll say. To say this trend is finished, done, it's early. Why is it early? As I always say, if you take a look at this, this looks like one move. What does it mean? In terms of Elliott Wave, it means that this is just one degree. And in our scenario, this would be this wave, intermediate wave 3. That's what I mean by 1 degree. This is one wave. And what wave is it? 3. Now, if you look at the noise, you can see the subwaves, which is what we just labeled, okay? But if you take a look, if you are able with your trained Elliott Wave eyes to filter the noise, this is one wave, which is 3. You look at subdivision, blah, blah, blah. You zoom in, you go into the 1 hour, you'll be able to see the same thing. You see here one wave, and you see the subdivision, okay? It's fractal nature of Elliott Wave. So, do you have additional confirmation of this wave being done, completed, finished? That's what she said. God, sorry. At least we're like 15 minutes in. Nobody's watching at this point. We need to break this the structure, okay? Oopsie, sorry. That is a time travel. We don't time travel on the market, unfortunately. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. Okay, double click. Perfect. See, I'm learning. So we need to break the structure. Have we broken the structure? No. So we could still continue higher at any point, and we may not see any, let's say, I don't want to call it catastrophic, but any major drop into this intermediate wave 4. It could happen, but saying it's going to happen, just with the evidence I'm working with, which is price action, obviously, this is my piece of data, I do not feel comfortable saying that. So what I'll say is we need additional confirmation. It's looking like we're going to go down, and it looks like we should at least, even if small, we should at least get a bounce and then another pullback, which could be small and continue higher, or it could just continue lower and form this wave 4. Now, any questions, guys, let me know. In the next video on gold, we'll take a look at we'll zoom in closer. That's basically all I wanted to say. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great Monday, everyone, and thank you for watching.